What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm gonna show you how to give your car a coat of wax with our Masterson's original Carnauba Wax. Now, if you wanna protect and enhance any vehicle, whether it's an old car or a new car, the best way to do that is to give it a coat with our original Carnauba Wax. This is an easy to apply wax that gives a great shine and durable protection to any vehicle. So come in guys, let's show you guys how to apply a coat to this Maserati. Now, our Masterson's original Carnauba Wax is made right here in California, and we make it using premium original Brazilian Carnauba that we import direct. Now, this is a cream wax. We ultra refine it down, and this stuff is super thick. So once it's on the applicator pad, it's not gonna fall off and drip on the car. It's not gonna stain any trim, and it's safe for all colors. So if you got a car, a truck, a boat, an RV, or any type of marine watercraft, it's great to give a coat of Carnauba Wax. Now, Carnauba Wax is gonna protect your vehicle from stains, contamination, UV solar rays. It's also gonna remove natural oxidation from your vehicle, and it's gonna clean and protect the car with one easy step. Now, to apply a coat of wax to your vehicle, all you need is an applicator pad, because you can do it by hand or machine, and your favorite microfiber towel. So we're gonna apply a coat to this Maserati fender to give a great look and a natural protection. So to use the Carnauba Wax, we're gonna shake it up, and we'll open it up, and we're just gonna put 3 lines right on our applicator pad, just like so. Now this is gonna stick on the applicator pad, it's not gonna fall off, so it's gonna be easy to apply to any vehicle. Now once it's on the applicator pad, let's take it and just spread it out on our vehicle. This is an easy to use Carnauba Wax, and look how easy it spreads. Now the cool thing about this wax is it doesn't dry white, so when you put it on the vehicle, if you get it on cracks or if you get it in any type of plastic or rubber or vinyl or trim, it's not gonna dry white. Now this wax dries instantly, and it can be removed instantly as well and used in the sun. So you don't need to be in the shade, you don't need to be in a garage to use this. You can do this at home on your vehicle in the driveway with great results. So now I spread it out over the whole fender. I'm gonna go ahead and put down my applicator pad. And the cool part about this wax is we don't need to let it dry. It's easy on, easy off. So we're gonna take a microfiber towel, and we're gonna put on the paint, and we're just gonna give a light buff. Look how easy that is. It removes so easy, almost effortlessly, and it's giving a nice high gloss shine, and it's protecting the vehicle from UV solar rays, water spots, contamination, road tar, and it's gonna keep this vehicle looking good for months. Now it's great to protect your vehicle with Carnauba Wax. It's gonna ensure that you have a nice smooth surface, and it makes your car easier to clean and dry when you're at home or you're at the car wash. Now check that out. Just like that, in just a few seconds, we wax the vehicle. It feels super slick, and it repels fingerprints and any type of contamination that's on the vehicle. So if you like having your car clean and you want to make sure it's protected, our original Carnauba Wax is a great product to do that. You can pick it up from any Masterson's Car Care retailer or online and get your car looking great with our Masterson's original Carnauba Wax. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel, where you can learn how to wax and take care of your car right at home. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.